collision theory, there are three rules that molecules must obey in order for them to form the product. The first one is molecules must collide to react. Let's say we have two reactants here, A and B. A and B must collide with each other to form a product. And secondly, the collisions between the molecules must have the correct orientation. Okay, let's take a look here at an example where we have reactant A with a negative charge and reactant B and C with partially positive and partially negative charge. The negatively charged ion will attracted to the positive one. So there will be bond breaking here, so it can form the product. So this is the correct orientation. And another one is the negatively charged ion cannot be attracted to the partially negative ions here. So there will be repulsion between these molecules. So there will be no bond breaking formation for this reactant. So there will be no formation of products. Let's say here we have OH negative with HCl. So since Cl is more electronegative than H, so Cl will have partially negative charge and H will have partially positive charge. So when we have OH minus is attacked or attracted to the positively charged molecule, there will be a bond breaking, so there will be a product formation. Okay, so this one is effective collision with the right orientation. So when we have OH minus with a negatively charged here, so there will be no attraction happen, so this one will be repulsion between the molecule, between the anion ionic, so there will be no formation of products. The third rules here, the collisions between the molecules must have enough energy. Let's say when we have an energy profile diagram here for exothermic reaction, where we have the energy for reactants is higher than the energy of the products. So we have here the reactants A, B and C. So the reactants will have to absorb the energy in order for the collision to occur. The energy absorbed must be equal to the minimum energy required for the reactants or greater than the minimum energy, the EA. So there will be a transition state here where the bond breaking and bond formation between the reactants, and there will be a product formation for the A, B and C. So after the process, there will be an energy release where we can see from the change of energy where the energy of product minus energy of reactants, so we can get the negative value. So the negative value means that the energy is released. So this is the effective collision between the molecules to form the products.